My name is Marietta Mehanni and I have a kicking combination for you. So this is the kicking combination and it's doing my client's head in. Now I've got lots of kicking combinations, but this one's great because it's different and it's new. So we're going to kick to the front, to the side, to the front, to the back. Front, side, front, back. That's not hard. Front, side, front, back. But what's cool is the arms. So you're going to pull back on the front kick, push across to the side kick, pull back on the front kick, push to the front for the back kick. It looks like this. Now, whenever you kick to the front and you pull your arms back at the same time, your abdominals get activated. They really do. But it's not what people normally do, right? Normally people go front kick, side, front kick, back kick, and the arms just keep pushing to the front. We want to create some variety here and have something that pulls to the back. So when you kick to the front, you pull back, you push, you pull back, you push forwards. Now what's nice about this particular movement pattern is you can alternate sides. Let me show you. Front, side, front, back. Front, side, front, back. Front, side, front, back. I'm bending my knee as I kick. Yeah, that's hard work. It's really hard work because it's actually the pulling back on that front kick that makes all the difference in the world. And it will take you some time to teach it to your clients. So a recommendation is you could break it up. It could be a front, side, front, side. So all you do is teach that part. Then you could go front, side, front, and then back. You can add that straight away. Or you might want to kick front and back, and then put it together, and then do it on the other side, and then alternate. My goodness, that would give you mileage, wouldn't it? Think about this. Teach them this part, front and side, and then once they get that, front and back, so you're pulling your arms to the back as you kick to the front, push forwards, then put it together, front, side, front, back, front, side, front, back, and then teach the whole thing on the other side, front and side, and then front and back, and then front, side, front, back, and then announce to the class, let's do it once on each side. Woo! Front, side, front, back, front, side, front, back. Okay, so if you want a cardio section in your class where you don't have to think of anything really like amazing, but this is challenging enough in itself, mentally and physically, because of that pull back with the front kick. Very, very cool. Hope you give it a go. And that is this week's Aqua tip. This is going to give you so much mileage, but as a pool deck demonstrations go, you might want to have a frame or a chair to help support you because you are balancing and moving on one leg. The golden thing to remember is to always pull your arms back first, because we always initiate with a front kick, whether you're going to the side or ending up with the leg to the back. Pull back first, pull back first. So it's front, side, front, back, with the back kick, but the arms go forwards, right? You can teach this definitely on the first part first, and I do recommend it's not just legs and then you add the arms. Try to put both of them together, front and side, because this is a movement pattern that they've got to get really familiar with. and they'll feel that really strong abdominal activation as they pull their arms back hard. So the first part of the combination could be front, side, and you teach that. Then you teach front, back, and then you put it together. Front, side, front, back. And then repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So you go front, side, but always remember to pull back. Fingers are open, arms are down. You're really pulling back. So you're pulling back with the palms. So you get that beautiful alignment and that long line which activates the abdominals. Pull back, and then your elbows bend as you push out to the side. Then when you've taught that, you know, maybe 2 blocks of choreography, 2 blocks of music, then go front and then back. And this is where you bend the elbows to push the water forwards. So it's straight arms as you kick forwards, but then you bend the elbows to push forwards. Then put it together, kick, side, kick, front. Make sure you practice it so you remember the combination. And then you could alternate sides. You could actually even break it down further. You could go front, side, front, back 4 times on that one side before you then do it 4 times on the other side, then 2 times on the right, 2 times on the left, and then bring it down to 1. That combination in itself will give you so much mileage. I would say that that would probably take you a whole 5 or 6 minutes to break down, but it's going to require a bit of brain work, and I think it's really good brain training. But it's a great cardio workout. Get them to hop as they do this, so there's a little rebound as they perform the actual movement pattern, and you can demonstrate that here, or if you have a frame, you can grab the frame and get it to assist you. But remember, the arms are really where it all is up here. So this is great. I hope you try it out in your class. Love to get your feedback. And if you haven't liked this page or subscribed, go ahead and do that right now.